ayun sa gitna itong ating Team Pilipinas. Right now, they're setting up their zone defense and Dodon Ontiveros. Ren Ritualo for the rebound! At buhayan na naman po itong mga kababayan natin.
They're 6'9", 220 pounds, and has already shot 6 3-pointers.
Grabe.
Ang hirap naman depensa niya.
Ren bang! You know, Ren Ritualo will not shy away from a shootout.
But right now, para yung offense maging effective.
You know, ito sa Taiwan, we killed them sa mga isolation plays. Bang! By Ren Ritualo. Another 3 for Ren. Pang-5 na yan. Na 3 ni Ren Ritualo.